Data analyzing with Excel. Microsoft Excel provides several means and ways to analyze and interpret data. The data can be from various sources. The data can be converted and formatted in several ways. It can be analyzed with the relevant Excel commands, functions, and tools encompassing conditional formatting, ranges, tables, text functions, date functions, time functions, financial functions, subtotals, quick analysis, formula auditing, inquire tools, what if analysis, solvers, data model, power pivot, power view, map, and etc. You will be learning these data analysis techniques with Excel, with data analysis with Excel and advanced data analysis with Excel. Types of data analysis. Several data analysis techniques exist encompassing various domains such as business, science, social science, etc. With a variety of names, the major data analysis approaches are data mining, business intelligence, statistical analysis, predictive analysis, and text analysis. What is data mining? Data mining in the analysis is analysis of the large quantities of data to extract previously unknown, interesting patterns of data. Unusual analysis involves computer science methods at the intersections of the artificial intelligence, machine learning, statistics, and database system. The patterns obtained from data mining can be considered as a summary of the input data that can be used in further analysis or to obtain more accurate prediction results by a decision supersystem. Business intelligence. Business intelligence techniques and tools are for acquisitions and transformation of large amounts of unstructured business data to help identify, develop, and create new strategic business opportunities. Its goal is to allow easy interpretations of large volumes of data to identify new opportunities. It helps in implementing an effective strategy based on insights that can provide businesses with a competitive market advantage and long term stability. Statistical analysis. Statistics is the study of collection, analysis, interpretation, presentation, and organization of data. In data analysis, two main statistical methodologies are used. Descriptive statistics. So, in descriptive statistics, data from the entire population or a sample is summarized with numerical description, such as mean, standard deviation of continuous data. The next is frequency, percentage of categorical data. Inferential statistics. It uses pattern in the sample data to draw inferences about represented population or accounting for randomness. The inferences can be answering yes or no questions about data. That could be hypothesis testing. Estimating numerical characteristics of the data, that is estimation. Describing association within the data, correlation. Modeling relationship with the data, regression analysis. Predictive analysis. Predictive analytics use statistical model to analyze current and historical data for forecasting predictions about future and or otherwise unknown events. In businesses, predictive analytics is used to identify risks and opportunities that aid in decision making. Text analytics. Text analytics, also referred to as text mining or as text data mining, is the process of deriving high quality information from text. Text mining usually involves the process of structuring the input text, deriving patterns with the structured data using means such as statistical patterns learning, and finally evaluation and interpretation of the output.